Hello everyone and welcome to Gadgets Unboxers. Today we are unboxing Google Pixel 9a, which is a mid-range champ, and I actually bought this via Flipkart yesterday on a Republic Day sale because I got a very good deal. The actual MRP of this is 39,999, which is listed over there, but with exchange and the bank cashbacks and everything, I paid some around 28,000 change for this phone, which I think is a very good deal because actually I was confused between Samsung S24 and Google Pixel 9a because of the pricings and all and the storage. I just decided to go with this, which is the good thing. So let's start the unboxing thing. First of all, the package is very sleek. It's like a white blue box with the G logo in the front, and then no fancy things, no pull tab, just a satisfying relief over here. Inside the Pixel, I'll just open this, that what exactly in the Pixel phone, and little complicated, so you need to slide it from here like this, and then you need to open this. So you have a pin holder for the same, some brochures, very sleek. Here is the phone. I'll just take it out, and the USB chargers, no adapter over here. So you can see the phone is very sleek, very premium in design. The only thing which I didn't like in this phone, which is a cost cut for me, is the plastic body at the back. Ideally they should be giving the glass body at the back as well. So this phone has 6.3 inch LTPO AMOLED screen with 120 Hz refresh rate, 2700 nits peak brightness, and 1080x2424 resolution, which is very vibrant and smooth. The punch hole design of a selfie cam under a display fingerprint reader. So let's switch on this phone. So this is the phone. Basically I have not set up this phone till now, but more or less the phone looks like this. Let's start and switch on the phone. So this comes with the Android 15 out of the box, and with the 6-7 years of update, which is the best part when you are buying the Google phone. And you will get the Gemini AI setup, copy it from the old phone, and this all things which you can do it very easily with respect to even if you want to transfer your data from iPhone to Android, it is very easy. This comes with respect to the battery. This comes with the battery of 5100 mAh, and they claim that it will last long for the entire 24 hours. And with the 18-watt type C charging cable comes along with this. Mind you, there is no adapters comes with this. You come with lot of good features like AI cam shoots and the other camera shoots, everything, which I will make another review with respect to the another video with respect to the users and everything. But it's for me as an initial thing because I just did the unboxing. I haven't like set up the phone, but this phone is really very nice. And why I'm telling you is that because I'm just the end user, I'm just a normal person. I just wanted to have a small, good, powerful phone for myself, and I think this is solving that purpose for me. And I will decide how is the performance and everything once I'll use it for 2-3 months. But for me, at this price, getting a phone like this is a steal a deal for me. And yeah, so basically to conclude this video, the Pixel 9a nails the value. It's AI smart, clean software, solid cams, without any huss things, and getting it in under 30,000 rupees for a Google phone. I think I made a right call. And yeah, so this is us. I request you to please like, subscribe our channel, and comment if you have any queries. I'll make the another video of this in a month's time of reviewing the product with respect to the users and all, and then we'll take a call on the same thing. Thank you for watching us. Thank you so much.